So today I am gonna build King Omar, the world's biggest 1 million play button on YouTube. For those that don't know what the play button is, here's the play button. First things first, I need to get a huge cardboard, okay, not cardboard, a huge planker, spray paint, PDF pamphlet or whatever it is, I don't know, just made a search on Google. So just check out how the video goes, make sure, comment, like, share, subscribe, don't disappoint Chyna gang, all for you. I'm trying to find all the things and I can't really find ball wraps. All I could find is like this. So yeah, I don't know if that's gonna work or if you guys want shoes, check out the website. There's everything. Make sure, comment, like, share, subscribe. Don't disappoint Chyna gang. So right now I'm at Super Spy and I actually can't find like a gold wrap because apparently I need that gold wrap to like make it shine. You guys like understand it. And so far I cannot really find this gold wrap. So Chyna gang bro, honestly gotta make a plan. Otherwise it's chai for me. Like it's chai for me if I don't chai.
Bao quát ra chẳng người đọc buồn. Chyna, keep it today. We shoot today. Come on, Chyna.
Everything sorted, painted, everything cut and everything. So right now we just gotta like take Omar on the Instagram post. So I just have the team to like take him Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Hopefully see the post, then comes. Otherwise this video will all go to waste. We spent a lot of money on this video, so hopefully Omar, come take your thingy, see this, do the most, yeah. So it's the next day right now and still no message from King Omar. Honestly right now I'm starting to think like this video was just made for nothing. But then you know what, let's just wait and see how today goes. If it happens, King Omar responds, then we're gonna like take the play button there. So pray that he replies, pray that everything goes well, so this video will actually be worth it. Alright, so yeah, cheers man. Yo, so I'm at East Gate right now and we're kinda like waiting for this bro. We don't see where Omar is. Apparently he's here. I don't have.
See, this is how they
Do you see Omar?
I haven't seen Omar. We're still waiting. We're waiting for Omar to come.
I don't know why she's happy. And there is the man. And there. So, as you guys see, here's Omar. I just gave him his 1 million play queue.
It's heavy, guys.
This thing is actually heavy. This camera is flopping me. So, how many subs are you left to reach 1 million?
Yo, look, you got a long ass way, but like probably like 860k left.
860. It's here. It's here. Oh, and the other thing, I couldn't like get the gold rep, so I had to like find something, you know, to like do. Nasipi, how do you feel? Nasipi, how do you feel?
I don't know how to react.
Nasipi, how do you
yet.
feel? I know you want a picture. Come, let me take you a picture. I know you want a picture. Come, let me take you a picture. I know you want a picture. Just bring your phone. I'm vlogging here. This is Cam, ne?
Yeah.
Yo, why did you put a countdown, bruh?
On my what? What are you on Snapchat?
Nah, it's on camera. Okay, 5. Okay. There it is. Don't faint.
Why didn't you come with Ghost?
You know who's left far.
Ghost is like in Centurion, yeah?
Yeah, it's actually.
Fonti Mitren. Mara is going now with everything that happened with Zile. Alright.
I was with him yesterday.
Yeah. Dog, when is
I told him I was gonna bring all of them.
when is the next match of pairs, dog?
Oh.
When is the next match of pairs? You see the match doing the most.
Huh?
We see the match doing the most.
I don't know when I'm fixing. Probably, I have no idea.
Guys, buy match.
What?
Buy the KO match. Match.
Oh, real match.
Yeah. So, Omar,
Yeah.
what do you wanna tell this boys, dog?
Hey man, all I'm gonna say is I really love and appreciate all of you guys.
Yeah.
Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe to all that good stuff. Man.
Yeah, I know the vibes. I want you guys to comment in the comment section what you want next. Then I'm gonna like operate for you guys. Thank you.
Yes, sir.